Hey, if you're seeing this video right now, it's because I have a message for you. I want to tell you the 3 main reasons why people are going solar. And this is Juniper. She says, let's talk about it. Okay, we need to talk about the 3 reasons. Are you ready? Number 1, solar saves money. Everybody that inquires about solar always says, well, I want to save money. Yes, that's great because that's what solar does for you. Solar allows you to take your electric bill and turn it into something that will make you money in multiple ways. 1, we can save you monthly. 2, it comes with that tax credit, which is either going to the IRS or it's coming right back to you with solar. Another way that you save money is that you have what we call an ROI, or return on investment, meaning you have a break-even point where you make your money back and then you're in profit. So solar is your own power producing plant, if you will. It's profitable to you. Now, the second main reason is the income tax credit. Major big tax incentives. It allows you to take your hard-earned money, instead of giving it all to the IRS, you get to take some of it back, and it's designed for you to put that money right back into solar. Now, if you want, you can go on a cruise, you can redo your patio, sister. And number 3 is the technology. The tech is great, the tech is cool. You can turn your roof into a mini power plant. You turn your roof into an energy passive producing source. And then you can actually stage yourself with batteries, generators, such and such, to have backup power. And now you are your own energy producer. The tech is great. It comes with an app where you can monitor your solar and you can see what it's doing, every single panel. Additionally, sometimes we provide a whole home monitor to see everything from your AC unit to your water heater, so on and so forth. So those are the 3 reasons, okay? Now, plus, when you go solar, you make the world a greener place for Juniper. Juniper, okay? We talked about it. Thanks, guys. Seth Wells, Spark Solar.